Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reverse a video in CapCut PC. So here I've already imported a video to my CapCut PC and I want to reverse this video so that it plays in backwards. So what you guys need to do is just click on the reverse options in your CapCut PC. So here I'm going to just click on my clip, and here go to this reverse options at the top. Click on that. Click on the reverse button and wait for CapCut to reverse your clip. So the process is depends on the duration of the clip. Okay, so now it has been reversed and now it will be played in backwards like this. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and also click on the